How you can make money on Clickbank. How you can make money on Clickbank using simple site by drafting articles on this site. First of all, let me go to my Clickbank account and show you that for you to know that what I'm saying is real. This is Clickbank. So if you what is Clickbank? Clickbank is a platform that enables you or allows you to promote other people's products as an affiliate. You can also work on this platform as a vendor, that is by creating your own digital product and placing it on this platform So
your phone me that.
then first of all, if you need to sign up first. Now that you are signing up, you choose your country, your first name, your last name, then your phone number, a password. You agree to their terms and conditions, and that's it. That's But since I've already created an account before, I'll be logging in. I won't be registering again. Now I'm now on the platform. Now go to a place named the marketplace. That's where you will find the appropriate product we intend promoting. You can see this search bar. This little input empty feed with search bar. Just click on it. It's going to pop up the top products currently on Clickbank. Now then you can then choose whatever product you intend promoting. Since I've already gotten my own affiliate link, so I won't be clicking on any promote link. If I wanted to get your affiliate link, just need to click on the promote button. So I won't be doing anything here. Just showing you for you to know that in reality I know what I'm saying. So these are all the top products presently on the platform. Just click on this link. Just click on the link to get your affiliate link. Now I'm going to go where my own links are. bit.ly.com. bit.ly.com is a link shortener. So bit.ly.com, so as we all know, and it's also a data. bit.ly.com is a link shortener platform. So these are all my links currently available on this platform. These are all my links available on this platform. These are all my links available on this platform. So I can choose anyone to promote all my affiliate links. So, but I'll be promoting a product named Java Bun. Java Bun is also on Clickbank portal, as you know. This is the marketplace, so I'll be promoting that Java Bun. If you are new, just click on the promote to get your link. Since I already have my link, I won't be doing that. I'll just go there, then copy my link from this platform and search for an article, Java Bun review. This is Java Bun's review. You can see what we'll be doing. Starting, we will be copying what most of these people are also doing, but we'll be utilizing a different site. We'll be making use of a different site, since most of these people are they wrote their review on their own site. Some had to pay a very popular platform for them to place the article on their own platform. So, but we won't be paying any for this. We won't be paying any money for this. There is a platform which can help us rank higher on Google search engine. The name of the platform is medium.com. Medium.com. Medium.com is a platform where people goes and draft articles about anything. Maybe it's affiliate product, maybe it's product review, maybe it's all about cat, maybe it's all about anything you tend to write. You can just go to this platform to write your article. Surely if your article content is quality, is real, and happen to meet Google Analytics need, it will surely rank on Google search engine. It will surely rank on Google search engine. Surely rank on Google search engine. So what we'll be doing now is that I'm going to show you a strategy most people adopt in order to rank higher on Google search engine. On Google search engine, what they normally do is that you can see all these top ranked articles. All these top ranked articles, they click on those links, they click on them, once they click on them, it's going to take them to the main article review, so the article will be copying it, to check the total number of words on it, in it. You can see Java Born review. I've clicked on it now. It's going to take me to the article. Java Born reviews. All the customer says it's got update. Then I'm going to copy all the article. In order to check the number of words in it. Then copy the article and go to a site named word counter, because the total number of articles you write, the more you have opportunity to be ranked higher on Google search engine. So what we'll be doing now, we'll try to model the article we just copy. We need to check the total number. You can see this is one of the article. I checked its total number. You can see it has 4,160 words. So if I'm using this article, I will need to model this. If I wanted to model this article, I'm going to write up to 5,000 to 6,000 article words. Then also checking most key points in this review. Checking the key points in this review, such as benefit of the product, merit of the product, and many more. Let's see the total number of words in this article. Let's try to load the page. Yes. You can see 3,751 words just to rank, just to sell a single product. You can see, just to sell a single product. The competition of this product is high. I won't even employ you. After you write your first article, try to write additional 2 to 3 articles in addition to the one you write before, in addition to the one you wrote. So it will be a benefit, it will act as a merit to you. So if one didn't rank, the other will surely rank, the other will surely rank. And if they don't rank again, try to write another one, try to write another one. No, you are in marketplace and everything requires competition. It's competition you grab. We are fighting to make sales, fighting to what, to achieve sales. So you can write, even if you can write up to 10 articles on same product, write it, write it, write it. So that's what the view and the fact about what's going on, about what's going on. So as I click on the link this person placed on his article, it took me direct to where, to the main Java born, to the product they are promoting portal, to a product. That's how you also need to what, add what, your affiliate link, your affiliate link, your affiliate link. So that's it. Kindly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop out some video just like this. Thanks.